In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Mailchimp step by step. If you've ever added an image to your email and felt like it was too big or too small, don't worry. This quick guide will help you adjust it easily, right inside the editor, without needing any extra tools. Let's get started. First, make sure you're inside the email editor for the campaign you're working on. This is the main workspace where you can see your layout, text, images, and overall design. Once you're there, locate the image block you want to resize. This could be a logo, banner, product image, or any visual element you've added to your email. Click directly on the image block to select it. As soon as you do, you'll notice small drag points appear around the edges of the image. These are usually located on the corners and sometimes along the sides. These points are what you'll use to resize your image. Now, move your cursor over one of the corner points. Your cursor will change to indicate that you can drag. Click and hold your mouse, then gently drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. You'll see the image resize in real time, which makes it very easy to adjust it exactly how you want. For the best results, always use the corner handles instead of the side ones. This keeps the image proportions correct and prevents it from looking stretched or distorted. As you resize, try to keep balance in mind. Your image should fit nicely with your text and buttons, not overpower them. A well-sized image improves readability and keeps your email looking clean and professional. Here's a quick tip. Avoid increasing the image size too much beyond its original resolution. If you do, the image can become blurry or pixelated. It's always better to start with a high-quality image so it stays sharp even after resizing. Also, pay attention to alignment. Make sure your image lines up well with the margins and other elements in your email so everything looks neat and organized. Once you're happy with the size, simply release your mouse. The new size will automatically be applied, and you can continue editing the rest of your email. And that's it. You've successfully resized an image in Mailchimp using the built-in drag handles. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in how professional and polished your emails look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical guides. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.